You guys, I was influenced again. I saw this curl cream on TikTok and people were acting like it could pay bills and fix relationships. So I tried it on my type 3 curls and now I have trust issues. Because let's be real, every curly girl has been there. You buy a product, but the girl in the video has perfect curls, perfect lighting, and probably perfect genetics. Meanwhile, you try it and your hair looks like you fought a pillow. But this time, something different happened. I picked up the Hairphelia Intense Curl Cream and I thought, okay, TikTok, this is your last chance. This video is sponsored by TltechnologybdLTD Limited. He is a professional digital marketing consultant and these are the services he provides. Okay, he has done some videos for me as well, SEO. His prices are on his website. Here you go. This is his phone number. This is how you can contact him. If you want a discount, you need to mention me, CurlsbySharlene. He even talks to you directly on Zoom. If you contact him, obviously you'll get a quote. It's not like done. Or you can contact me and I will forward your details to him. But you need to mention you came from me. Otherwise, no discount. His email and my email are in my description for you to look at now. Okay, back to Hairphelia. So I used it on my type 3 hair. My curls felt soft instantly. Styling was easy. Now the question is, did the definition last me all week? I will let you know at the end of the video, so don't go anywhere. When I first applied it, my curls were like, oh, we've been treated nicely today, okay. My hair instantly felt soft, not product sitting on top, and that white residue, nothing like that. My curls were moisturized and thriving, and I was already suspicious. I was like, okay, this is working so well, so quick. And on to the styling. Listen, my hair usually fights me. I got a section. Here's drama. That's why I do my hair in small sections. Finger coiling. That was when I started my curly hair journey. Brush styling. Sometimes it doesn't work. It depends on the product. But this cream, my curls formed so easily, it felt illegal. Like Raking Method, no struggle. No frizz tantrums, just smooth clumps forming like they had somewhere important to be. When your hair turns out so well, why do I have nowhere to go? But when I need to go somewhere, my hair is such a frizz ball. Sometimes I'm like, you're doing me dirty, huh? Obviously, I re-wet my hair. I never add products. Okay, sometimes I do add products when my hair is dry. That's like refreshing. But when I'm actually styling for the first time, like after I've just washed my hair, I always re-wet it with water, with a bit of tea tree or just water, plain water, and then I put the product in. I haven't used any other product. This is the only product I'm using to really see what it can do. Now you see how the back just formed so well? Like I didn't even need to go over. But when I got to the front, I think my front curl maybe need a little more moisture, and this is where the problem lies. So I did finger coil the front of my hair. Obviously I raked, but look at the definition and the curls just formed. But the very front, we needed a little bit of help just because I wanted extra definition. But generally, I don't need to. But I'm finding when I finger coil the front bit of my hair, like the fringe, my bangs, the results come out so good. It's shocking. The texture is quite thick. It's a curl cream. If you expect a curl cream to be like that, that's exactly what it's like. And also, there is a silicone in this. So if you don't mind using silicones, this is all good. If you do mind, then there's a problem. When I dry my hair, I do leave it 10 to 15 minutes, even 20 minutes to air dry. But 5-10 minutes is fine. If you don't have time, that's all good. And then I diffuse. So the attachment on my blow dryer and I diffuse, which takes roughly between 30 to 45 minutes. It all depends on how thick the product is and how much hold it's got. If I have no products, I don't even need to diffuse. My hair starts drying the minute I walk out of the shower. The minute I add a product, we've got drying issues, but the diffuser does the job. So while I was diffusing, I was preparing myself for disappointment because sometimes my hair will look so good wet. Time for drying, Frizz Nation. And then I looked in the mirror and I literally said, okay, curls. Hey, who are you trying to impress? Definition, bouncy, shiny, slight crunch, no frizz. But here is the answer to my previous question. Did these curls last me all week? Yes. The definition lasted all week. 7 days. No refreshing, no re-wetting, no 45-minute morning routine to restyle my curls. My curls woke up ready before I did. In a bonnet, obviously. Satin pillowcase, satin bonnet. You know the deal. Now let's be honest for a second. Yes, it is silicone. And I know some curly girls hear silicone and run like it's a red flag. But hear me out. If your hair looks like this, and your curls are healthy, defined, and moisturized, sometimes results speak louder than rules, right? A big tip when you're using silicone, because silicone is actually like a plastic film on your hair, so you can get product buildup, which is why I use a clarifying shampoo the next wash day. So obviously don't wash your hair straight away. Keep it for a week and then use a clarifying shampoo. Bounce Curl has a good one. Naughty has a good one. Or you can even do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I have a video that was one of the first videos I ever did that will remove the product, remove silicone, so you don't have buildup. At this point, I know you're thinking this girl is just promoting this product. The answer is yes, I'm promoting this product. How can you have one product to do all this and it's a curl cream? It's not even a gel. It works so well. So TikTok, Hairphelia, yeah, go to my TikTok at CurlsbySharlene. At this point, I don't even know if I found the product or if the product found me. Oh, actually, they did a collaboration with me on TikTok. And my curls are out here living their best life and I'm just trying to keep up, you know? So Hairphelia on TikTok, go to my page. You will see it there. If not, send me a DM and I'll take you right to the product. You will know where to find it. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually loving curl creams more than gels. Like gels give you hold, but the crunch, because it's so crunchy, sometimes the frizz. When you break the cast, it's frizzy. Whereas curl creams, there's no crunch and it lasts all week when you actually find a good one like this one. Now, I need to know, have you tried a product TikTok made you buy that actually worked? Yes, Hairphelia is one curl cream. I would recommend you buy this one. CurlsbySharlene approved. Comment your best and worst influenced purchases below. And if you want a full wash day routine using this cream, subscribe. Because my curls and I have more stories to tell. And this is day 2, by the way. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Charlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Charlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.